Decision making under pressure is the key to survival. Written by Dr. Mazda Turel. My brain, usually occupied with the delicate dance of neurons and the existential hum of the prefrontal cortex, became a mosh pit of anxieties when a renowned magazine asked me to write a column. I was fraught with thoughts of what could go wrong. I began to wonder, will people want to hear yet another surgeon penning his thoughts? I imagined patients thinking, if I ever fall sick, do you want to go to someone who might feature me in one of his articles? Despite being a brain surgeon, I am unable to fathom why the mind focuses more on the adverse than its converse. It is probably because of a phenomenon called negativity bias, which is an evolutionary adaptation that prioritizes unfavorable information as a survival mechanism, making us more sensitive to potential threats and dangers, and thus increasing our chances of avoiding harm. Every single time I am choosing up a surgical case, I secretly wish to myself that nothing should go wrong. I want to survive. More importantly, I want the patient to go home safe. Yet, as Murphy says, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. However proficient you may become, you can never predict when your next complexity rears its ugly head. We all make mistakes and we all pay price. There is a difference between a mistake and a complication. A complication most often is an adverse event caused by pre existing factors that are outside the doctor's control. A mistake, however, assumes there was a lapse of quality, control, or judgment by the surgeon. They both tread a fine line. Surgeons who tackle more difficult procedures are physicians who encounters more cryptic diagnostic dilemmas than others will face more obstacles and they should not be penalized for grappling with them. Decision making under pressure is the key to survival both for the patient and the doctor. Patients are required to decide which doctor they will choose to operate upon themselves. Doctors must decide about when to operate and, more importantly, when not to operate. This is an imperfect and ambiguous science. It takes an average of 10 years and 10,000 hours of tenacious practice to achieve a reasonable amount of skill and judgment and become competent. Thank you very much.